Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to fix lag on TikTok live. So let's get started. At first make sure you have the updated version of TikTok. For that let's get into Play Store app and simply search for TikTok. And if you see update button over here, simply tap on that to update it, and if not you can simply open it. So let's get into TikTok app. Now since the TikTok live is lagging, we can simply go to our profile icon in the bottom right and click on this three-lined icon over here on the top and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Now we need to click on live option over here. Simply tap on that. And we have the problem while hosting live. So let's tap on hosting live. Now we can see there is no option for lagging, so let's click on other hosting live. Now under TikTok help text we need to simply type our problem, that is our TikTok live is lagging. So once you write the message, simply click on the send button over here to send the message. After that your problem will be addressed by TikTok help text and your problem will finally solved. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.